Television chefs. Television chefs, a gastronomic phenomenon that has swept across the small screen, have become influential figures in our culinary landscape. They not only entertain and educate, but also inspire a generation of home cooks and aspiring chefs. From the humble beginnings of televised cooking shows to today's multi-platform culinary empire, TV chefs have transformed the way we perceive and engage with food. In the early days of television, cooking shows were often simple, instructional segments, focusing on traditional recipes and cooking methods. These shows aimed to make cooking accessible to the masses, often addressing the challenges of post-war rationing and the need for nutritious, affordable meals. Pioneers like Fanny Craddock and Julia Child brought a sense of enthusiasm and expertise to the screen, demystifying the art of cooking and empowering viewers to try new recipes and techniques in their own kitchens. As television evolved, so did the format of cooking shows. The 1990s and early 2000s saw a surge in the popularity of celebrity chefs. Charismatic personalities like Jamie Oliver and Gordon Ramsay became household names, not just for their culinary skills, but also for their larger-than-life personas. Jamie Oliver's The Naked Chef and Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen exemplified this era, blending cooking with entertainment and, in Ramsay's case, a hefty dose of drama. These TV chefs brought about a noticeable shift in public attitudes towards food and cooking. They championed fresh, local ingredients and advocated for healthier eating habits. Jamie Oliver, in particular, became an advocate for change in the British school meal system, using his celebrity status to raise awareness and drive policy changes. This activism marked a new role for TV chefs, not just as entertainers, but as influencers and campaigners in the food industry. The rise of reality TV cooking competitions like MasterChef and The Great British Bake Off introduced another dimension to the role of the TV chef. These shows, often featuring a mix of professional chefs and food enthusiasts as judges, have become global sensations. They not only celebrate culinary skills, but also the stories and diversity of the contestants. The emotional journey of the participants, coupled with the suspense of competition, has captivated audiences worldwide, making stars of both the contestants and the judges. In recent years, the advent of streaming services and social media has further broadened the reach of TV chefs. Platforms like YouTube and Instagram have allowed chefs to create more personal, direct connections with their audience. Online cooking classes, food blogs, and interactive cook-alongs have become increasingly popular, making culinary education more accessible and diverse. This digital revolution has also given rise to a new breed of celebrity chefs, who have built their following entirely online, often focusing on niche cuisines or dietary needs. The impact of TV chefs extends beyond entertainment and education. They have a profound influence on food trends and consumer habits. When a popular TV chef endorses a particular ingredient or cooking gadget, it often leads to a surge in sales, a phenomenon known as the TV chef effect. This power to sway consumer choices carries a significant responsibility, and many chefs are mindful of promoting sustainable and ethical food practices. Moreover, TV chefs have contributed to the democratization of gourmet cuisine. Once the preserve of high-end restaurants and professional chefs, gourmet cooking has been made more accessible to the home cook thanks to the detailed demonstrations and tips provided by TV chefs. This has led to a blurring of the lines between professional and amateur cooking, with many home cooks achieving remarkable culinary feats inspired by their television mentors. However, the influence of TV chefs is not without its criticisms. Some argue that the entertainment value of cooking shows sometimes overshadows the educational aspect, with more focus on the chef's personality than the actual cooking. Others point out the unrealistic expectations these shows can set, with the perfectly plated dishes and seemingly effortless cooking not reflecting the reality of everyday cooking for most people. In conclusion, the evolution of TV chefs from mere presenters of cooking shows to influential figures in the culinary world reflects broader social and technological changes. They have become educators, entertainers, activists, and trendsetters, shaping our relationship with food in myriad ways. As we continue to navigate the ever-changing landscape of food and media, the role of TV chefs will undoubtedly continue to evolve, offering new perspectives, challenges, and inspirations in the kitchen.